Android 13 tips and tricks, 10 things you'll want to try out. Tip 1. Get even more colorful with Material You. Android 12 introduced Material You, Google's colorful design language. But in Android 13, you get as many as 16 theme options based on your wallpaper. To adjust your Material You theme, long press your home screen and tap Wallpaper and Style. Tip 2. Change your icons to match, or don't. Material You also lets you change the color of your app icons to match your theme. Enable themed icons by long pressing on your home screen, tapping Wallpaper and Style, and toggling themed icons to on. Tip 3. Get used to the search bar. Android 13 tweaks the search bar. Now, it searches Google for what you've typed. Expanding your app drawer gives you a different search experience, perfect for searching your phone. Tip 4. Tailor your notifications. Android 13 makes it easier to tailor your notifications. Long press the app's icon, tap the eye icon, and then tap Notifications. Tip 5. Watch out for downgraded multitasking. Running split-screen apps is a bit different in Android 13. Remember, you can only choose the second app from the same recents view. Tip 6. Fix ugly copied text. Copying text in Android 13 gets an upgrade. Tap the pop-up, and you can edit the copied text before saving it. Tip 7. Scan QR codes in a snap. Scanning QR codes is a breeze in Android 13. Drag the QR code scanner tile to your active tiles, line it up, and tap Open. Tip 8. Change your phone's language app by app. For multilingual users, Android 13 offers a game-changing feature. Head to Languages and Input, then tap App Languages. So there you have it, 8 tips and tricks to make the most of Android 13 on your phone. Stay tuned for more tech updates, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest Android news.